So as I say, you can use the vinegar and put a little bit more vinegar into the water. All right, and wash it off. All right, guys, this is the okra. This is the one I'm talking about. So this one is for tomorrow. All right, what is the detoxing? Yeah, man, this one is a detoxing right here. Yeah, detoxing. This one is apple cider vinegar and lemon. So you want to drink this before you go to your bed. Help to, slow down that sugar level and a lot more what's going on in the immune system. All right, yeah. So this one, I'm going to be doing this one ready for tomorrow morning. We're going to be drinking this tomorrow. But it is important for you to wash them off, either in a vinegar, or you can also wash them off into, what do you call it? Baking soda. But you need to leave it for a few minutes into the baking soda or to the vinegar water. All right. So yeah, good vibes. So we're gonna be drinking this one tomorrow. This one is okra. I've been doing this over the last couple of days. I don't know if you guys see what I've been doing over the last few days. All right, so what I'm gonna do, wash them off. Yeah. Yeah, man, so we put this right here. And we're gonna cut up some okra. All right, that's the okra. That's the okra, guys. We're using at least 2 and 2, 5 okra. Yeah. All right, that's the okra right here. So we're gonna get some garlic and put it inside of it. All right, guys. Yeah, man. This is a powerful recipe for every one of you guys who have been listening to the voice of Chef Ricardo right now. Yeah. All right. So we're gonna get some garlic and put it inside of it. In the meantime, we're gonna top it up with some lukewarm water. Excellent, Chef Ricardo. So we're gonna crush some garlic and put it inside of it. That's the garlic. Euros. Thank you so much. Yeah, that can make up for the electric. Yeah, thank you so much for that one. So now we have to pay for the electric. All right, here it is. More garlic. Euros cracks me up, man. Are you laughing at Euros is a serious thing, you know. Yeah, man. The electric is high. Yeah, you know. All right. That's it right here. So put in that garlic. Look at that. You see, it start to get sweat. So what we want to do, we want to leave this outside overnight for at least 6 to 7 hours. All right, guys. Just like that. Okra and the garlic into some lukewarm water. That is powerful. 100%. Yeah. So in the morning, you want to drink it. All right. Drink it naturally like this. If you tomorrow morning you can squeeze some lime in it if you want, but you don't have to. Just drink it naturally with the garlic, just like that. So you just cover it like this. Yeah. And drink it like that. All right, guys. Yeah, man. 100% powerful. 100% effective. All right. All of the people you see I make recipes online, this is one of the most powerful recipes you could ever come across. All right. Rice, chicken, beef, lamb, whatever kind of food, no matter how sweet the food is, this is a very powerful ingredients for you. All right. So once this kind of go right down, by tomorrow morning it's supposed to be thick, like, you know what I mean? Cause that's what you need, the thickness to drink. So Euros, Craig, make sure you get this at the supermarket. Get a portion of it and drink it for at least 5-6 days. Yeah. What that does this help with your skin. If you're diabetic, the list is long. The full version is on my YouTube channel right now, waiting for you to read up. Go over to my YouTube channel, go to the live section, click on the live section, and read up on all of the benefit. 100% effective. This right here, guys. Garlic and okra. Yeah, get a portion of the okra, like a nice portion that can last up to 5 days. And Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, you just drink up every day. I set it like this for a couple hours and drink it. All right, it will help you. You can see the result, guys, on my YouTube channel, and it's on my, you know what I mean, I did a lot of research on it, and the research behind it, it is powerful, and that's why I've been drinking it. I drive 4 hours just to go get the okra. When I find out the benefit was amazing, I have to drive 4 hours just to go and get this okra. 4 hours to show you how serious I was with the okra. All right. So sometimes we can't get certain things, guys. I have to drive 4 to 6 hours just to get these ingredients. All right. Yeah, man. So, but anyway, a good vibes. We're not gonna keep it up tonight too late, because tomorrow is the next day. But you see, it's getting thick up already, guys, and that's what you need. Tomorrow morning is gonna be even thicker. When you go in out tomorrow morning, it's supposed to you have to fight if you go down in it. You know, it's supposed to be thick. You see? And that's what you need. So this is for Monday. But please turn on your notification on your phone for tomorrow, 1 o'clock or 4 o'clock tomorrow. Those 2 times I normally go live at 1 o'clock. Yeah, the slime, yeah. So basically, that's what you need. Is the slime is the benefit. The slime is what's going to help you. So tomorrow, 1 o'clock or 4 o'clock, guys, we're going to be doing a video. Okay? All right. So we're going to be doing some juice tomorrow. And this is the message for every one of you guys who got 2 ears to listen. Okay? If you don't want to listen, I cannot force you. That's what my grandmother said. You cannot force the horse when you bring him to the well to drink the water. All right? No matter what you do, that horse will just look. You can't do nothing. You're not going to drink the water. Okay? So now my message for you today, my beautiful people,